Do you know how to make your fried rice last longer without getting spoiled? Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Boss, and in today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your tasty fried rice. These are the ingredients I will use to make my fried rice. These are my green pea, carrot, and spring onion. Then my bell peppers, that's my green bell pepper, yellow and red bell peppers. My grated onion, hot dog in replace for liver, my sweet corn, oil, sesame oil, kidney beans, my rice basmati rice, and then my chicken stock. In the pot, you add your oil according to your quantity. Then after that, we're going to saute our onion, that's our grated onion, and then we'll mix together. After that, we're just going to pour in our washed rice. Mind you, for this video, I'm using basmati rice, so we're just going to fry our rice. We're just going to mix it together and allow it to fry between 3 to 5 minutes on the low heat. We're just going to keep stirring it together. Mind you, as you can see, there's a difference between how we poured it versus now. Then after that, we're just going to pour in our meat stock. This is very important. In order for you to have a tasty fried rice, you need to have your meat stock ready. That's your chicken stock ready. So also, we are not going to boil our rice with a lot of water. This is a cup of rice and I just used 2 bowls of water, one for my meat stock and other one is just water. And at this stage, feel free to add your seasoning cube or your salt, but for me, I will not be adding because my chicken stock is already sweet. Then after 10 minutes, this is how my rice looks like. So I'm just going to mix this together. Then I'm just going to cover this with my foil paper and allow it to cook until there is no moisture in it. That's just cover it and allow it to get cooked. So bring out your other pan, add your oil in it, then also your sesame oil. Your sesame oil is going to upgrade the taste of your fried rice, I bet you. Then we're just going to add our hot dog and we're just going to mix together. After that, we're just going to pour our grated onion that we're just going to mix together before we add our other ingredients. That's our vegetables. We're just going to stir fry all our vegetables. So next is our bell peppers. That's our green bell peppers, yellow bell pepper, and red bell pepper. Mind you, they are all diced, not sliced. So we're just going to stir fry this and mix together. Next is our green pea, carrot, and spring onion. Then our seasoning cube. And we mix again until all ingredients are fully and properly combined together. Then after that, we're just going to pour our sweet corn and our kidney beans. These are our last ingredients, and then we're just going to stir fry it and mix together, and that's ready. So this is how our fried rice looks like. It's ready and it is soft, and also there's no moisture in it. Like, this is one of the most important thing you need to look out for, the moisture, or the water rather. Most people, they still have water in their rice, then they'll still go ahead to add their vegetables, and this is going to make your rice not last long. So we're just going to pour our vegetable inside our rice, and mind you, I will always advise you to use a bigger pot anytime you want to make a food that you need to stir together. Always make sure your pot is big enough so it's easier for you and less stressful. So we're just going to mix this together until it is properly combined together. Then after that, we're just going to allow it steam up together. Mind you, this is on a low heat. It is not on high. It is on a low heat. So after mixing, we're just going to cover this and allow it to steam up for just between 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. And after that, this is what our rice looks like. So colorful and so attractive. This tastes exactly how it looks like. I know most people eat with their eyes first before tasting it. Then our food is ready. Time for us to serve. This is what our food looks like. So tell me, my sweet fingers lovers, would you be recreating this recipe? Do not forget to watch our other videos. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for everyone, and most especially, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.